Okay, you guys, so I'm getting ready to go in the store. I just got through eating some chicken and some salad. We're in for the night. My van is, where is the van? Is the van over there? Where's the van? I think the van is over there somewhere. Oh, the van right there. So I'm all parked and tucked in. I'm not at the location where I'm gonna sleep tonight, but I'm going into Marshall's. So let's go. Hi everybody, and I am going to shop today at Marshall's, my local Marshall's store. So come along with me and let's see what's new in stock at our local Marshall's. Of course, you know they are playing music in the store. I don't want to get a copyright strike. So we're just going to take a look and a tour of what's hot, what's new in Marshall's. As you can see here, they have these nice weather boots by Nautica. They were only $30 and I think they were fashionable and cute. Scrolling down the shoe aisle, they have a lot of nice shoes in stock. And one thing I like about Marshall's is they have a lot of gift accessories for Christmas time and just a lot of practical gifts and things that you need, but you didn't know that you needed until you see it in the store. Okay, and they have a lot of different facial items, household items, accessory items. I love Marshall's and Ross because no matter what you're looking for, you're gonna find something that's irresistible, like this yoga mat. I don't need a yoga mat, but that mint green color kind of matches my theme or whatever. So I was like, not today, but I'll be back. And these scarves, the scarves were speaking to me, you guys. I don't need scarves, but it's something about a good scarf. I almost got one. Now, I did need a pair of warm and fuzzy, cozy socks because when it got cold a few weeks ago, my feet were cold even though I was under like 10 sleeping blankets or whatever. So I did throw those in the basket and they were only $4.99 for 3 pairs. I thought that was a good deal. And they have some beautiful, beautiful handbags. Didn't pick up one of those, but okay, y'all. I'm touching the ceiling, a van. I'm in the van. Ooh, that's a cute plant. Girl, I almost got that plant too, but we're not that far along in the van, and it was only $6.99. But I'm going to be picking up a few of their plants. You're going to see later on in this video, they have a lot of plants for your home decor decorations. Next up, just keep scrolling, just keep walking through Marshall's, and like I was pleasantly surprised that they have a lot of exercise equipment, a lot of exercise accessories to help us get fit for the new year. We're almost going into 2021, and yes, these little stretchy undergarment tops, I think I'm gonna go back and pick up a black, a white, and a nude of those. They actually are long and go to cover up those undesirable areas that you don't want anybody to know that you have, but they're there anyway. Y'all like these bar stools? They had 4 of them if y'all looking for 4. Y'all, and Marshall's has a lot of furniture items that will make your decorating needs easy. These chairs are so cute. They were plastic. The backs of them look like they tear or break very easily. So if y'all see those chairs, kind of avoid those because that might be a mishap for you. But they have a lot of other cute accessory furniture items and just stuff that would just, ooh, child, I want that little ball right there. I want that. Yeah, I want that right there, right there. Can somebody get that for me? They have so much stuff that's cute, y'all, and just irresistible. And the prices are very, very, very reasonable. I didn't find a price on that, but I might go back and get that because I want something to decorate my bed in Vanlife to just make it look warm, cozy, and inviting. And let's not talk about pictures. They have some beautiful, neato pictures. Just everything from mirrors to, 3D looking items. Just, y'all go check out Marshall's. And you're going to be surprised. They're going to have something that you're looking for that you didn't even know you need. Like, I'm about to turn this corner and I'm about to find something. Just watch. Just wait. See? Watch. Just keep looking. See those little plastic bowls? I wanted some bowls, but I didn't want plastic. And I've been looking for some stainless steel bowls. And I couldn't find anywhere at a reasonable price. But wham bam, thank you ma'am. Keep looking. What channel is this going on? Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. Bam! There goes some, but they don't have a top. Those are so cute. And look at the other colors that I'm gonna find in a minute, you guys. Y'all need y'all some mixing bowls. Keep looking. Ooh, child. That's what I've been looking for. You see that's going up in that basket. Yep. A 4-piece set with the lids for only $24. Stainless steel. I put that in the basket. Yes. Wasn't looking for it that day. Look at that color, y'all. I love that color. They got some cute stuff, y'all. I am addicted to shopping, but I'm broke. So, see that metal and that color? Ooh, I like that. Yep. So, I'm just window shopping for y'all. But I did find 2 things that I got for myself that I needed, but I wasn't necessary. And see, those right there are $14. Did those have the lids to them? Y'all better go get them bowls. I know y'all need some mixing bowls with some lids. See? Look at that. Y'all didn't know they had that kind of stuff at Marshall's, right? But they do. And that's the whole point of this video is you never know what they're going to have. So you need to go look into the store. They had these cool water bottles in 2 different sizes. And they were actually a good price, y'all. So we just gonna keep looking. We gonna keep scrolling. We gonna keep seeing what we could see. Look at them storage container jars to put on a cabinet. And just, I love kitchen gadgets, you guys. Let me know how much you love kitchen gadgets. I do. Look at the bling. Like, they have so much bling. If you're looking for bling, if you're looking for girly, if you're looking for natural, look at these. If you need some new cabinet pulls to decorate, they got them over here and they're cheaper than buying them at Home Depot individually. They come in a pack. They're like $12 or $14 for the whole pack. That is a good deal. I love blinging out stuff, y'all. I do. And, I like the simple and the chic. So they have the boho, the simple, the chic, the natural, woods, whatever you're looking for, you're gonna find it. Keep looking. Just go out for. Look at the bling. Look at the bling. That is so cute. Candles. You need some candles. I smell them, y'all. They smell so good. I love that aisle. Going down the candle aisle is just fantastious. It's fantastious because it's addictive. Y'all, look at the kitchen gadgets. Look at the little broom. You need one of them little brooms, whisk brooms. Look at the pillows. Look at the blankets. Oh my goodness. Look at those flowers. Oh my goodness. The baskets. Oh. I want one of everything. Can Marshall's give me a shopping spree? Child, I would go crazy up in Marshall's. I would come out and my whole van would be filled up to the top if they gave me a shopping spree, y'all. I want to decorate somebody else's house. Let me know in the comments bar below if you want me to decorate your house and you got an unlimited budget. Child, I will go look at the, see what I mean? Those flowers, those hangers, just redo your closet. So many DIY projects I see that Marshalls can make possible for you. Y'all see these plants? I am going to go back and get me some plants just as soon as I get through with my van and I get to that stage. And they just have, look at that. That was so cute. A tall plant to go somewhere in your house. I'm sure you got a corner for it. Pillows galore. Yes. You need some decorative pillars. Oh, look at that color right there. Just beautiful. Beautiful. You have no excuse why you cannot decorate your house on a budget. Like Marshalls has everything that you need, aisle for aisle. Go down every aisle. Look at the blankets. Look at the rugs. Oh my goodness. I need to go back. That little planted one. Oh, that was so cute. Wow. Let me know what you've seen that you like. And let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. Let me know in the comments bar below if you want me to shut up and just let you. If you prefer for me to talk, if you just want me to shut up and let you see everything that I've seen. Let me know if I went too fast. Just let me know how I can better serve you with these type of videos. Let me know if there is a specific aisle. See that whole little set, y'all, with the bling, 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 bling. If you like bling and you want to do your bathroom, bling it out with this set at Marshalls. It's in stock right here. I don't know if it's going to be in stock at a store near you, but you never know. Look at that trash can. It is so cute. You never know until you go in and check it out. So you guys, let me know what aisle you want me to go down. If there's a specific section you want me to go down. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Leave lots of comments down below. I did find a couple of things in Marshalls today. Like I said, I found some socks and I found my stainless steel bowls. Nesting bowls. Look at that. Christmas gonna be over with, almost over with by the time you see this video. But I'm sure if you are one of those people that shop off season and you want to go get some items that are gonna be on clearance and get them for a good price, you could check out Marshalls too, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to go. Let me know what store y'all want me to run into next time. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Leave lots of comments down below. Let me know if my commentary was entertaining or if you could do without it. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Hit always when you turn on that notification bell, and be sure to come back for another video, okay? I'm going to talk to y'all later. I love y'all. I love Marshalls. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Bye now.